Ready to go out and eat?
You're murdering girls.
Y'all ready to leave?
Bear murdering.
Alright, for sure. Y'all trying to leave? True. Just trying to eat. Don't want to eat?
Bro, you're the one
Y'all
sitting
making
at
funny
a
jokes out here.
piano, bro.
I'm just trying to eat. Man, just look at my sons. Bless them. Going back to sleep probably. Yo, my fucking sons wake up finally.
Oh, yo, don't put. Yo, don't even. I don't want to know what people say.
Yo, spine transfer from the couch to the bed.
Fucking Winston, fucked me.
Yo, dog, open that window. Yo, reach, guy. I'm trying. It's so close. Yo, so these guys are playing some video games. You can't see in the back. Shaquille's there. We're just chilling. All we hear is, yo, I'm going in the back, I'm dumping. Flushing. Mans are talking about going out to eat. I say, alright, where you wanna go? You guys say, I don't know.
Yo, watch me strip, dude.
Watch me strip. Watch me night. I'm like, yo, let's go to this place. They're like, nah. Alright, let's go to this other place. Nah.
Stop it, dog. Why do you guys always do this?
Oh!
God loves you. Why do you guys always do this?
How come him's not gonna do it?
Fuck off, dog.
We're almost there.
Fuck, this guy's trolling.
Oh, fuck.
Nice, made it. Zakk just falls.
Yo, we almost didn't make it out, dude.
No, we didn't though. It's a funny thing. Nobody understands that. You believe that. It's right through the shade.
No, it's not. It's full.
We're boys.
On the back
Come
of
on,
the
man.
No, it's full.
We cuddled last night.
So we came to Gulfview.
Bear
And
just got a table.
Every time that we come here, they empty out the restaurant for us.
They close it down.
Nobody's here.
Hopefully
They close it. They close it down for us, and we just, you know,
Oh, so that's no like when you tap?
And
run shit.
No, this is switching between the photos.
yeah.
Kyle heard a good joke.
What's the joke?
Yo, so I got 2 ears. Listen carefully. Okay, sorry, I fucked up already. 3 ears, 2 noses, 2 mouths. What am I?
3 ears, 2
noses, 2 mouths.
2 mouths. Mike Tyson fighting someone?
Ugly.
Dude.
Thought it would have been Mike Tyson.
That was sick joke.
I know. I actually died when I heard it.
Skidamarinky dinky wink.
What did the grape say when it got stepped on?
Ah, fuck.
Fuck.
Nothing, it just let out a little whine.
Oh my lord.
I'm gonna go kill myself.
Right now. Coffee time with Kyle.
The thing about friends, they don't actually like you.
No.
Like, I am what you call a scapegoat.
See,
so
people
basically,
just do that to say they have friends. Because they don't
Yeah,
wanna
you
be
just
alone.
put up with your shitty
at
friends.
this point, like, I've known, like, these 2 guys specifically for so long.
And this guy for like 24
Like,
hours.
see, I could
Yeah.
say right
Like,
now I
we've
can say I
already
have
come.
3 friends. Like realistically, we have 2, but with you now I could be like, oh, I have 3 friends. Like, I got a lot of friends.
Friends are dumb.
What is it?
Friends, the show is sick though.
Yeah, true. Facts.
Just finished up eating.
We wake up.
Can I grab my wallet?
Midnight.
Yeah, he's just paying for it all. It's like I think all the snow went into the car.
We got snow, guys.
Yeah, I told you.
He's gonna do a.
That's so true. Yo, fuck yeah, dude.
You almost look better, too.
Coming back, you coming back.
Oh, now.
Oh shit. got me a cake for the birthday.
An easy one.
Wow.
Sorry, Jordan.
Yo, bet you won't. Oh, you got cake on me, dude.
Watch the skirt.
Oh my goodness!
Are you ready? Yo, what up, y'all? So last time you saw me was probably Saturday night for my birthday. Yup. Google how much NyQuil can you take before you die. Drank the whole bottle. Yeah, just that. So I just got out the doctor's. He was like, yo, I heard y'all got the flu. Let me just put this mask on real quick because y'all probably contagious as fuck. So he put a mask on. I was like, oh shit. I had this shit like Saturday. I'm still contagious. Good thing I went into work yesterday. Now everybody fucked up. He was like, yeah, you got the flu. It's a virus. Ain't nothing we can do about it. Ain't no antibiotics I can give you, nothing like that. No secret pill, no secret popping, nothing. You know how you do too. You make it sound like it's like a question for next time. I was like, it's like, yo, so like if I need to get my ears flushed, do I have to make like a separate kind of appointment? And he's like, all right, true. Let me see your ears. Alright, let me just handle that right now. And then I was like, oh yeah, yo, chill. I got some dry skin right here. Can you check that out? Right here and right here. So he checks it out. He's like, yeah. All right. I got some prescription for you. He says, yo, can I write you a prescription? I'm like, bitch, obviously, what the fuck? That's why I'm here. I was like, yo, so how do I chill out on the coughing and all the fever and the nasal and all that shit? And then he goes, yo, just take a Tylenol. That's all I do. When I get sick, I just take a Tylenol. I went to the goddamn doctor mad early in the morning for a man to tell me I could just take a Tylenol. I thought Tylenol was just for them goddamn headaches. You done fuck my shit up. You done got me chopped, man.
So say goodbye to love and hold your head up high.
You already know your boys out here supporting children's soccer leagues. Out here watching my son play. Right there. Look at my son with that vlog. Wow. Just here for the kids, you know? Gotta support my children.
Random birthday party house.
Oh, that was just the kitchen.
Yeah,
Oh shit, this battery about to die already. Alright, so all these men talking all that shit about these spicy ass
Making me
chips.
feel bad.
Talking all this smack about these spicy chips. Excuse me.
Is there any tea left or no?
What we about to do?
Die.
What we about to do?
Apparently die.
What has some soft chips?
Light though, ain't nobody gonna die. Check it with me in 2 minutes. Is my tongue bleeding?
No.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we're about to eat this. About to swing that in.
Oh, Zakk's got a small one for big boy.
What do you mean that's a big boy?
You have to see.
I'm basically a white man.
Oh, there you go. Umtad, you want to?
Did you eat it? Did you eat it? Oh my god, she wild. She wildin' still. Alright, yo, count of 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
There's nothing, man.
Put the whole thing in your mouth and eat it.
Spicy as shit.
Wait, James, in a couple seconds. Relax.
Oh, that's easy, man.
Give her another one. Stop.
Alright, we're about to eat these spicy chips, man.
That's
Let's leave it before the chips. How do you use them before the chips?
Alright, man, just ate the chip. Go ahead, no, going in for second.
Mine's out.
My grandma out here.
Mine's out.
My grandma out here just swinging things.
Mine's out.
On to the next.
Go. The food chips. The food chips are gonna be like.
No, she's not out.
Oh, okay, she's going.
Soft. Soft. Alright, I just took down 5. My man took down like 12. Man's dying out here.
It's okay, no one's dying on the inside.
Yo, man's about to do 8? 8?
We're already at it. We're at it.
This is gonna be 8. Still.
No, we're at 9 then.
No, this is it.
This is 8.
Sorry, I'm tripping.
Yo, men's are still out here. We finished the whole bag, bro. These men's are weak. This shit weak, son.
Is my tongue bleeding?
Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere alone in a bitterness.
Worked the day shift today, so I'm going out. Enjoy this weather. I don't know what we have in mind. You can bet your bottom dollar that we're gonna do something sick outside. Like, man's got no business wearing shorts. Man's got no business opening the fucking sunroof. I don't give a shit if it's mad cold. Ain't a thing, you know? Mans are just trying to enjoy this weather. I might even fuck around and do this. Oh shit, I might even fuck around and do this. Yeah, that's right. I might even fuck around and do the back one too. Man's crazy. Yo, look at this bar. Look, it's a fuse. That's how you light it. Funny glasses.
These are awful.
Yo, actually wearing yellow glasses like makes everything look so nice.
I want to see. Zakk can wear like any glasses that you want to see. Oh my god,
You heard it. You heard it first.
this is probably the
Help. Oh my god. It was her. This one. Nabber.
I like how red it is.
Call security. Yo, bag. There's a photo shoot going on. Wow. Ain't nobody want to take my picture though. I see how it is. Man dressed up all nice and shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright, y'all, we gotta pay to get in. Thank you. Is that Melissa?
Yeah,
So cool.
that's me.
Just fucking high as shit.
Just baked, dude.
Why the fuck you lying?
Why you always lying?
Yeah. Yo, PMS mints. The best mint, period. Great. Yo, nice, dude. Yo, remember these old cigarette candies? Yo, my guy out here doesn't believe that Baby Ruth was named after Babe Ruth. It's Babe Ruth, man. Do your Googles. Do your Googles. Yo, bet money. Yo, bet 100 grand. Right there, bet it. Last time I came here with Nick, we hit that Mary Jane.
You know who you look like? I look like Dick Grayson. Oh, the British version? Aqualad?
He's a mad lad.
Or Metal Molder?
Yeah! That was so sick. Yo, y'all remember Metal Molder?
Like and subscribe for Metal Molder.
We got the last dab here.
Pepper X is 3 times hotter than any of the other peppers that are out there available commercially. It's twice as hot as the Reaper at 1.6 million. So this is a dangerous pepper. Dangerous pepper. Dangerous pepper.
You good?
We don't love